Ever wondered what it takes to secure the coveted All India Rank 1 in the NEET exam? Well, it's a combination of strategy, discipline, and smart work. Today, we'll be unveiling the secrets to acing this prestigious examination. The first step towards your goal is understanding the syllabus thoroughly. Knowing the syllabus inside and out is the foundation of your preparation. It's like the blueprint of a building. Without a clear understanding of what you're up against, it's almost impossible to plan an effective study strategy. Next up, it's all about discipline and routine. A well-structured study routine is your roadmap to success. It's not just about spending hours on end studying, but about quality and focused study sessions. The aim is to make every minute count, ensuring you're consistently moving towards your goal. Now, smart work is the key to outperforming the competition. It's not about the number of hours you put in, but how effectively you use those hours. Selecting the right study materials, focusing on high-yield topics, and mastering the art of effective time management are the tools that will help you work smarter, not harder. Online guidance can also be beneficial in your journey. The internet is a treasure trove of valuable resources, practice tests, and study materials that can give you an edge over others. It also provides an opportunity to connect with fellow aspirants, fostering a sense of community and shared learning. Participating in mock test series is another crucial aspect of your preparation. These tests not only familiarize you with the exam pattern, but also help you gauge your progress and identify areas of improvement. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, stay updated. The world of medicine is ever evolving, and so is the NEET syllabus. Staying abreast of the latest developments and updates can give you that extra edge you need to outshine the competition. To summarize, understanding the syllabus, following a disciplined study routine, practicing smart work, selecting appropriate study materials, seeking online guidance, and participating in mock test series are the stepping stones to securing top rank in NEET. Remember, it's not just about hard work, but about working smart and staying ahead of the curve. Your journey to All India Rank 1 begins with a single step. Take that step today and unleash your full potential.